Hey besties, let's order, unbox, and try on our new glasses. I hope you're ready. Let's get started. And here's the website that we will be ordering our glasses from. It is glassesusa.com, and I will leave a link in the description down below. Okay, besties, and these are the glasses we will be choosing. Mostly because I want something pink. I did the little virtual try on thing, and I like the way it looks. So we'll see, we'll see. Now we just gotta wait. And here's my total after, entering my bifocal prescription. And now let's unbox. And here are all the items that came with the box. We have the glasses, the eyeglass cleaner cloth, the case, instructions, and it also had my prescription card, which I had to remove, but yeah. Okay, y'all, so we finna try on the new glasses. Don't be putting too much on me because I don't know what it's gonna look like. All right? Okay. I'm a little nervous. Okay. Oh my God. I love them. So, what do you think, bestie? Leave me a comment down below. And thanks for watching. And always remember to stay ambitious.